Hey, what's up guys? In this video, we're going to be talking about what the 33 rule is and how to use suggested video loops to go viral on YouTube. So, starting off, we're going to be covering what the 33 rule is. I know I've talked a bit about it so far in this course, and I'm going to be explaining exactly what it is, and then I'm going to show you how to take advantage of the 33 rule as fast as possible to determine if your content is working. Then I'll show you what similar metadata is and how to take advantage of it to go viral. And I'll also show you the power of suggested video loops and how you can take advantage of all of this to game the YouTube algorithm and go viral. And this is what I do on every single channel that I run. So first of all, what is the 33 rule? Now, the 33 rule is an observation I've made that if you post 33 videos and none of them are taking off on a single YouTube channel, then it's a signal to stop and change the content on that channel. Now, the 33 rule is sort of just a benchmark that I've noticed when I upload videos to a YouTube channel. It's sort of the median number I've seen for when a channel should be taking off. And you're probably asking, what do you define as taking off? Now, I define taking off as getting a similar amount of views as other videos in your niche. So looking at other popular videos and other channels that are doing well in your niche, and seeing if any videos that you're posting are getting similar amounts of views to those videos. And the reason this is so imperative to take into account is because too often people give up if none of their content goes viral immediately. I see so many people upload 15 videos and then give up. Or upload 33 videos or more than 33 videos and give up because none of them are getting any views, when a tiny little small tweak of their content could change everything and make their content go viral. I've had so many channels that I thought were completely dead. A small little tweak blew everything up, and the rest is history. The overall lesson here is to not give up if you don't see success within the first 33 videos, but instead change up the videos you're posting. You don't necessarily need to change the niche, and that's a big mistake I see people making as well. They upload 33 videos, they don't see any success, let's say they're uploading basketball videos, and then they switch to uploading football videos. If you see other videos in your niche doing very well, then you know it's not the niche, but it's the videos you're posting. And not necessarily just the videos, because I'm going to show you how to actually look at the analytics and everything in this course as well, and see if it's the video's fault, or if it's the thumbnail's fault, or if it's the title's fault, and really analyze and diagnose what's going on so you can change up your content and get as many views as you possibly can utilizing YouTube. And also in this module, I'm going to be showing you, if you still haven't chosen a niche or you've narrowed down your list of potential niches that you're going to be choosing, I'm going to show you how to do market validation for those niches to see if they are good and to see if they are ones that you should actually execute on. Because even if you don't see any other popular channels or videos within the niche that you're thinking about doing on YouTube, that doesn't mean that it is necessarily a bad niche. And I'm going to show you how to do market validation in this module as well, and that'll tie into the whole my secret keyword strategy as well. So here is a graph of the analytics from one of my channels, the first video that I uploaded on that channel. You can see it marked by that little triangle in the bottom left. And then every little triangle, every little play button that you see right there is every time I uploaded a video on that channel. And as you can see, I uploaded 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 videos until the channel completely blew up. It went viral. Ever since then, it's been making a lot of money. In fact, it's been making well over $100 to $200 a day, pretty much on complete autopilot. And I've only invested around $1,000 into the content creation on this given channel. Now, I'm not showing this to brag. I'm really just showing this for inspiration for you guys, to show you guys that sometimes channels do blow up quicker than you might expect. If you find something that works, double down on it and just keep making videos that you know work. But if you don't see some sort of big spike in your analytics before the first 33 videos that you upload, it is time to change up the content. So I just wanted to show you guys that graph as an example right there. So now we're going to be talking about what is similar metadata and how do you take advantage of it. So first off, what is metadata? Metadata is defined as all the stuff on YouTube you don't see. However, I like to define it as even the stuff you do see as well. So that includes your title, your description, your tags, subtitles if you upload them on your video. That is all metadata. Now, in my opinion, the secret to YouTube is similar metadata. This means having similar metadata on all of the YouTube videos that you upload. This means that the more similar all your titles are, the more similar your tags are, and the more similar your descriptions are, the better chance you have of getting into the suggested feeds within your own video, which creates viewer feedback loops, which then means for every person who views your video, they're likely to watch a bunch of other of your videos as well, and this is how YouTube videos go viral. And here's an example of a couple of videos from my personal brand channel, Make Money Matt, right here. And as you guys can see, a ton of the top tags are the same. However, the bottom tags on every single video, I have a list of 5 to 10 keywords that I put on every single YouTube video that I upload. This is the key and the secret to YouTube. And then also, I find a way of working those keywords also into a section of the description. In those red boxes, there's a section of the description that is the same for every single video that I upload, and it includes as many of those keywords that I can possibly use. And this is consistent for every single video that I upload on my YouTube channel. And this applies for any niche that you're in. If you're running a list channel, I do this on all my list channels. If you're doing this on a personal branding channel, this all applies to you. And I'm going to be showing you exactly how I find these keywords, what I like to call money keywords, and how I implement them on my YouTube channels. By implementing similar metadata like this, we achieve what are called suggested video loops. And right now, I'm going to show you how you can use suggested video loops to go viral on YouTube. So, first of all, what are suggested video loops? Suggested video loops are defined as when a user goes in a loop for watching your videos because another one of your videos appeared in the suggested video tab. And what I'm going to be showing you how to do is to predictably get your video in the suggested video tab of another one of your videos. So let's say someone clicks on your YouTube videos and you don't have many views on your channel, or say you have a lot of views on your channel. It doesn't matter. Say a user clicks your video, and then at the very top of the suggested video tab, on the right-hand side of YouTube, they see another one of your videos. They are very likely to click that video and watch the next one. And this is seen so highly within YouTube's algorithm. This is how YouTube channels go viral. Because let's say for every 1,000 views that you get on a YouTube video, let's say just 25% of them go on a feedback loop watching 3 more of your videos. Those are hundreds of more views that you otherwise wouldn't have got, hundreds of more views, hundreds of minutes of more watch time, dozens of potential comments, likes, engagement on your video, and most importantly, it keeps people on YouTube, because one of the biggest factors on YouTube is session time. So that means if someone watches one of your videos, how long after watching your video do they stay on YouTube? And YouTube rewards points, invisible points within the YouTube algorithm, to YouTube videos that keep people on the platform. And the number one way of doing this is to get viewers to go in suggested video loops. If your video isn't in your own suggested video feed, it's not just a missed opportunity, but your channel is literally leaking views. As you guys can see, I put a little picture right there. There's a drainage pipe, and as you can see, that's supposed to represent your channel, and the water draining out of it is the views you're leaking. But honestly, it is your job to tell YouTube that you deserve that first spot, that first suggested video spot, by implementing consistent metadata. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, how to find that set of keywords that you're going to put on every single video that you upload on your channel, and then also how to find keywords that you'll put on certain sections of videos. So let's say you have a playlist of videos on a certain topic, how to find a set of keywords that you'll put on that, and how to find a set of keywords that you'll put as your channel keywords. And this drastically improves your chances for going viral on YouTube. And I do this on every single channel that I start. And I urge you guys to do this as well. So I hope this clears up what exactly similar metadata is and what exactly suggested video loops are as well, and what the 33 rule is. The purpose of all of this is to give you a better understanding of how YouTube works and how the YouTube algorithm works. And more importantly, how you can then use the YouTube algorithm to get a ton of views onto whatever kinds of videos that you want. So I hope this helps you guys a ton. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you my favorite YouTube tool on the market, and then I'm going to show you how to find those lists of keywords that you're going to put on every single video that you upload, and how to implement this consistent metadata thing. I'll see you guys in the next lesson.